Okay, we're going to Antarctica for the expedition.
Antarctica expedition.
Today is February 1st, 2011. Okay, this is Simeon Bogdanov. Before, just in case he's gonna be lost. Okay.
So you can find me with.
Can you touch the center of the screen for me so it focuses? Nice. Snowstorm of 2011, the biggest snowstorm in history of
60201.
yes, of 60201, also of Chicago since 1999. Hi.
Hi, man.
Be careful.
Right,
Expedition.
Let's go right into the heart of the snowstorm.
Woo! Let's go find the heart of the snowstorm. The Snow Queen
Yes,
somewhere.
Totally.
Wait for our comrade Ando.
Yeah.
Ani! Crazy! Oh! Can you tap for me? Oh, sorry.
Sure.
Yeah!
Hey, wait, I'm filming. Yes.
Hey, hey, it's me. Hey, you can see me. Oh. Be careful, let's go, man. You crazy?
Whoa!
Whoa! It's crazy! Oh! Be careful, let's go! Whoa! There's car coming! Ah! What? Are you guys getting there? What? Wow! There's the camera. Oh.
Get in there?
Yeah, yeah.
Illegal?
It's illegal.
Illegal?
Yep. Slide! Slide! Hey, Anna, slide in!
What? Whoa!
Slide in.
Illegal, man! Ah!
Get into this way, stupid!
What?
This way, come up.
Oh yeah.
North Pole expedition. My turn. On. Oh my god.